Hello and welcome to my new video. I hope you're all doing good. Today's video is all about how to prep my tumblers and all the steps that you have to do to make them ready for some glitter or some decals or whatever you want to put on them. You know what I'm talking about. I always buy those sublimation tumblers and merely because I don't have to prime them at all. They're already white, so I can just go ahead to prep them just as is. First of all, I'm getting rid of the sticker that you see there on the bottom. Even though the tumbler is already primed, it has a really slippery surface, and that's why I have to sand it. I'm taking a really fine sanding sponge and sanding it as far as it's getting a matte finish. I don't take a coarse one because I don't want to make ridges that deep that I can see the stainless steel underneath peeking through. And don't forget the bottom if you want to put something on top of it. And if you want to leave it as is, you don't really have to do anything to it. But you have to be careful with the sponge because on the rims, the color is really thin, so don't rub it off. Now this is the most important step of prepping a tumbler in my opinion, because we have to expose some of the stainless steel about 1 millimeter on the rim of the tumbler, so the last layer of resin will have something to grab onto. Yeah, and the stainless steel is the best thing to do. And we do that because we don't want nothing like water and stuff like that getting in between the stainless steel and the resin at all. And what I'm showing here, this is not enough exposed stainless steel because it's only exposed on the top of the rim. So we have to sand a little bit more. So this is how much you have to expose of the stainless steel in order for the resin to stick to it. It's about like maybe a 1/16 of an inch. Last but not least, you have to take every oily residue of the tumbler that you might have on it, and I use isopropanol alcohol for that, and I take a cloth and really wipe that off. So this is all you have to do to prep your tumbler. Yeah, and this is every step that you have to take before you start your design process. And yeah, I hope this little video was helpful to you. And if you have any questions, just ask me in the comment box. I will answer them. And I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.